Performance management conversations. Enhancing employee potential. Introduction to performance management. Performance management is a systematic approach to improving employee performance, crucial for aligning individual objectives with organizational priorities. The typical performance management cycle includes setting objectives, assessing performance, providing feedback, and making administrative decisions regarding pay and rewards. The two key features are objective setting and performance appraisal, which should not be confined to an annual event, but be an ongoing process. Objective setting. Effective objective setting is essential for driving performance. Objectives should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These objectives need to be both specific and challenging to be effective. However, the nature of the work determines the type of objectives to apply. For straightforward tasks, SMART objectives work best, while complex tasks benefit more from behavior-focused or learning-focused objectives. Regular feedback. To achieve objectives, employees need regular feedback to monitor their progress. Feedback should cover both what needs to be achieved and how to achieve it. This helps employees stay on track and make necessary adjustments to their approach. For instance, setting a goal to run a marathon might include the specific steps of running 3 times a week. Performance appraisal. Performance appraisal involves assessing and discussing employee performance. It's crucial to be aware of biases, such as the halo effect, where one positive trait influences the overall evaluation. The effectiveness of performance appraisals depends on how employees perceive them. They need to feel that the process is fair and useful. Checking in with employees after appraisals to gather their feedback on the process can help ensure its effectiveness and fairness. Strengths-based approach. A strengths-based approach to performance conversations focuses on what employees do well rather than solely on fixing weaknesses. This method, derived from appreciative inquiry, emphasizes building on strengths to improve effectiveness. Conversations might include discussing past successes, identifying the skills and attributes that contributed to those successes, and exploring ways to replicate them. Practical application and research findings. Research shows that training managers to use a strengths-based approach can significantly impact employee perceptions of performance conversations' usefulness. Even brief training sessions have been shown to improve performance, learning, and development. A broader intervention, including additional training and changes to HR processes, yields even greater benefits. Key messages for effective performance management. Understand the nature of the job. Tailor objectives to the nature of the tasks. Use specific and challenging objectives for straightforward tasks and behavior or learning-focused objectives for complex tasks. Regular progress monitoring. Ensure employees have regular feedback mechanisms to monitor their progress towards objectives. Fair and useful appraisals. Make sure employees find performance appraisals useful and fair. Follow up with them to gather their feedback. Focus on strengths. Shift the focus from addressing weaknesses to building on strengths. This doesn't eliminate the need to address areas for improvement, but starts with a strengths-based foundation. Development considerations. Performance management conversations should also address development needs, aligning both organizational and individual goals. Understanding the organization's context, such as upcoming changes and required skills, is crucial. For individuals, discussing career aspirations and potential challenges helps identify necessary support and development opportunities. Conclusion. Effective performance management conversations are pivotal in enhancing employee potential. By setting appropriate objectives, providing regular feedback, ensuring fair and useful appraisals, and focusing on strengths, HR professionals can significantly impact employee performance and development. This approach not only aligns individual goals with organizational priorities, but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and engagement.